What questions are customers asking others in your trade over and over? If you stop to really think about them, you may discover that your customers' questions are actually objections.
Tricks of the trade, this is when the thing comes in, tricks of the trade.
Hi, I'm Brandon, owner and designer at Tradies.ca. Are you being asked the same questions over and over by customers during your initial phone call? How many of those questions are you answering on your website? Sadly, most trades avoid putting up an FAQ page simply because they're afraid to reveal their trade secrets. But here's the thing, your customers will find the answer to their questions whether it's from you or from someone else. So why not put yourself ahead of your competitors and make it you? If you're worried about the competition finding out how you do business, trust me, they already know. They're in the same industry. Having an FAQ page on your website is not only a great way to answer the most frequently asked questions by customers before they even get to the initial sales call, but it can help you save time and actually make you more money. So by taking the things that are keeping people from using your business and making them the top 3 questions on your FAQ page, you can overcome your customers' objections. If you don't know what those objections are, take some time to find out. There are objections to using your service. Trust me, there are people that will have resistance to doing business with you. Once you find out what those objections are, answer the top 3 on your website, and I promise you, you're going to see your sales increase. Need some help putting together a solid FAQ page? Give us a call. We'll be happy to chat. Visit Tradies.ca today. Like and follow us on Facebook or Instagram for more great tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or sign up to our mailing list to receive a new tip directly to your inbox each week.